Welcome everyone. Today we are diving into global supply chain quality and international quality standards. That might sound a little intimidating at first, but don't worry. By the end, you will see how these concepts connect to the things you experience every single day, from ordering a coffee at Starbucks to buying a phone online. Here's our agenda. First, we'll look at why quality matters so much in the global economy. Then we'll explore the American, Japanese, and European approach to quality management. After that, we'll discuss international standards like the ISO 9000. Finally, we'll compare these approaches and highlight the key takeaways you should remember. Think of this as the world tour of quality. Globalization has made quality more important than ever. Imagine ordering a phone on Amazon. It might be designed in the United States, assembled in China, and shipped through multiple countries before it reaches your door. If any step in that chain lacks quality, you will end up frustrated, returning products, or writing a one-star review. For companies, one slip in quality can mean losing $1 million and customer trust. But what makes global quality tricky? Economic conditions differ. For example, wages may be lower overseas, but that doesn't always equal higher productivity. The physical environment matters too. A factory near poor infrastructure will face delays, and don't forget cultural differences. Imagine working on a group project where everyone has a different communication styles. That's basically what the global company facing daily. And the cost can add up quickly. Sometimes saving money on labor is canceled out by high shipping costs. So there are so many factors intermingle with each other in the global trade. Here in the United States, one big symbol of quality is the Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award. Think of this as the Olympics of quality for organizations. Companies from healthcare to education can compete, but the real goal is improvement, not just winning. And here's one fun fact. It is named after Malcolm Baldrige, a Secretary of Commerce who believed America needed to compete better in quality. The Baldrige framework has 7 categories, from leadership to strategy to customers and results. Notice that it's not telling companies how to do things, but rather what to focus on. It's like when your instructor gives you grading criteria, you know what's expected, but you have a flexibility in how you meet those expectations. Applying for Baldrige reward is no joke. Company goes through multiple rounds of reviews, site visits, and scoring. Even if they don't win, they can get detailed feedback. It's like when you write a paper and you get detailed comment from your professor. Sometimes the feedback is more valuable than the grade itself. Japan takes a different approach from the United States. And the counterpart of the Malcolm Baldrige Award is the Deming Prize, which was established in 1951 by Japanese Union of Scientists and Engineers. It emphasized statistical process control and quality in design and production. And they also have a huge focus on lean production philosophy. It's a philosophical view that aims to eliminate waste from the production process. And they also focus on creating maximum value for customer while consuming minimal resources. So their philosophy is about eliminating waste and maximizing value. So that's a Japanese approach. The 7 wastes in Japanese is called muda. Its core concept is to identify and eliminate activities that don't add value for the customer. The 7 wastes are overproduction, waiting, transportation, overprocessing, inventory, motion, and defects. Think about a daily life example. How many of you have you waited in a super long line at a fast food drive-thru? That's a waste. And when the food comes out wrong, that's a defect. So both are considered waste, lower our customer satisfaction, and also waste resources. Total quality control. This is deeper ingrained into Japanese culture with strong attention to detail and continuous improvement. So problem must be immediately visible to allow for quick resolution, such as end-on lights. So quality is built into the process. So workers inspect their own work and have the authority to stop line if problem occur. And they also have the N equal 2 technique, which means a sample method for acceptance. If 2 units are sampled and 0 or 1 defects are found, that's okay. If more than 2, it's rejected. So the total quality control involves not only the manager but also the workers. So it's the quality improvement for everyone. Japanese companies also follow the 5S, which is the initial in Japanese, which stands for the organize, arrange neatly, clean, standardize, and maintain discipline. Honestly, this works at your own daily life as well. If your desk or laptop files are total mess, you waste time in finding things, right? A clean and organized space makes everything easier. They also emphasize preventive maintenance because fixing a problem before it happens saves way more time and money than waiting for a breakdown. In Europe, we see the European Quality Award, short as EQA, which is run by European Foundation for Quality Management. It's very similar to Baldrige Award. And their model has 7 categories and split into enabler and results. And for the enabler, like the means include the leadership and strategies, and the results include something like the customer satisfaction and the business results. Think of this like baking. Your ingredients and the methods are the enabler, and the taste of the cake is the result. Both matter. Now let's go global with ISO 9000. ISO actually comes from the Greek word ISOS, meaning equal. The whole idea is to create equal, consistent quality standards across the world. So whether you're buying a charger in the United States or Germany, the company has to follow the same quality framework. ISO 9000 has 7 principles, including customer focus, leadership, engagement people, process approach, improvement, and evidence-based decision making and the relationship management. So just imagine we work for McDonald's, a fast food restaurant. All 7 ISO principles work together here is to focus on serving our customer, getting the customer order right and fast. So to achieve that, we need a strong management leadership, and every employee playing their part. And we also need to have the clear processes from order to delivery. And also we need to continuously improve our service based on customer feedback and the timing data. And we also need to have a good relationship with our suppliers so that we can maintain the food quality. And when these principles work together, we will get a good quality product or service. So these 7 principles apply to any successful organization. Getting certified is not an easy task. Companies go through audits, inspections, and continuous monitoring. So it's like maintaining a driving license. You don't just get once. You have to keep proving you can drive safely. Do we compare those different quality approach? Are any of those better than the other? The US approach focuses on results and performance. Japan's approach is focused on processes and culture. And Europe is focused on the enabler and the outcomes. And ISO 9000 basically provide a standard for everyone can follow. So it's kind of like the different learning styles. Some of you study best with flashcards, some with group discussions, some with practice problems, different approaches, but the same goal, master the material. So what are the key takeaways and future trend we can learn after learning those international quality approach and standards? And we can see quality is a strategy. It's essential for competitiveness and survival. And different approaches exist, but all for the same goal. We want continuous quality improvement. And just like any technology, the quality standards keep on evolving. And maybe in near future, AI-driven quality management will be the norm. And let's wait and see. Let's wrap up. So we saw how globalization makes quality not only a challenge, but also a necessity. The United States, Japan, Europe each have their unique approaches, but ISO creates a common ground. For you as students, remember, quality is not just about for factory or corporations. It's in your daily life. From how you study to how businesses serve you. The better the quality, the smoother the experience. So I hope you guys enjoy this lecture. Thank you.